So you're thinking about moving to New Braunfels, Texas. You might want to take the plunge if you love small town vibes with the conveniences of the big city. Nestled between Austin and San Antonio, New Braunfels offers the best of both worlds. San Antonio is just a 34-mile drive, about 44 minutes, and Austin in the other direction is about 48 miles and it'll take you about 55 minutes. Now, New Braunfels was established by German settlers in 1845, and it still keeps a lot of its cultural roots by the architecture and the cultural festivals that they have every year. I'm walking through downtown New Braunfels right now, and this is the distinct landmark roundabout. It adds to its appeal. We have lots of thriving businesses downtown. We have bars and restaurants and unique shopping, which makes this not only the residential livelihood, but also a great attraction for visitors coming here. As of 2023, when this was filmed, New Braunfels is growing. We have about 115,000 residents, and a lot of that has happened in the last 2 years, with a 26% growth increase since the 2020 census. That's at about an 8.25% annual growth rate. The average income around here is around $89,000, and the median age is around 36 years old. But we do have a lot of seniors as well, and the great schools and great shopping economy. This is one of the reasons that New Braunfels is in the top 10 real estate markets to watch in the US. We have a lot of affordable homes compared to other states, which really draws in people and makes this unique from other Texas cities. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in New Braunfels, Texas, then hit that subscribe button and tap that bell notification so you can be the first to learn everything about the current New Braunfels market. My name is Yitzchak, and I get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you wanting to make their move to New Braunfels, and I love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. I'm happy to help you make your next move a smooth process. All right, now let's go take a look at the first home on this tour today. Okay, the first house we're gonna take a look at today is in Ellie Crossing. This is a subdivision on Highway 46 East between Seguin and New Braunfels. A little bit closer to New Braunfels is a subdivision that's still being built. It's gonna have about 420 homes when it's done, and it's a great community. Centex Homes is the builder, and the house that we're looking at today is built in 2021. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,200 square foot, and it's listed at $251,000. Now, this home is gonna be something of a smaller one on our list today. It's in the community with no HOA. Well, it does have an HOA. The HOA is about $200 per year, and for that amount, you're not gonna get as many amenities. You're gonna have the basics taken care of. So some of the other homes we're gonna look at today are at a couple different price points, but hopefully you get a little idea of what this home has to offer. And it's priced at $251,000 for a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,200 square foot at $251,000. All right, let's go take a look at the next one. All right, the next neighborhood that we are in is Deercrest subdivision, and this is right next to the house that we were just looking at in Ellie Crossing. This is an even newer subdivision, still being built, several homes. The one we're gonna take a look at today is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2,237 square foot, listed for $341,000. So we get a little bit a different price range here to check out. So take a look behind me. It's a great property. You see a lot of features, being a 2-story, 2-car garage, So take a look at some of these other homes here. Now this is a great up and coming neighborhood, still conveniently located. You can hop on I-35 very easily, or head over to I-10 and go into Seguin, or really it's very convenient for whatever you're trying to do. There's a lot of great companies and businesses. The average median income in New Braunfels area is about $89,000. So keep that in mind. All right, let's go take a look at the next one. Okay, and this brings us to our last home on today's tour. This is still in New Braunfels. This is at Village at Clear Springs off of Highway 46 East. The nice thing about these properties being in Guadalupe County is they're at a 1.62 tax rate, which is really great. This home that we're going to be taking a look at is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is 2,144 square feet, and it's listed at $424,000. It was built in 2018, and as you can see, it's in great condition. You get a little bit more bang for your buck, and New Braunfels really just has a great affordability compared to other states. That's what's bringing a lot of people here. So you get a little bit of variety at whatever price point you're looking for. All right. Thank you for watching. And whether you're looking to move in 9 or 90 days, be sure to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call so I can help you make your next move a smooth process. Until next time, check out this next video. I'm in downtown New Braunfels shooting some footage for my upcoming YouTube video. I just love this roundabout. We have this beautiful fountain behind me and the pavilion, along with these crepe myrtles. One of my favorite parts about downtown New Braunfels. Hope you can check it out. Let me know what you think.